Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I will show how to knit this beautiful, easy and so stitch, really so good and so beautiful. See, which we need multiple of 10 plus 6 extra stitch plus 2 for edge. So here I cast on the stitches like this. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. We slip 1, just knit. Like this. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 5 we slip 1, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over, knit 1, 2 time yarn over, knit 1, 2 yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, 3 yarn over, knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over, knit 1, yarn over 2 time, knit 1, knit 1 and 3, knit 1, yarn over, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 6 we slip 1, knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this yarn over we drop, this one we knit. We drop yarn overs and knit, drop and knit. See, like this. Drop, knit, drop and knit. After knit, so just knit. Where you see yarn over, you just drop and knit. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 11 we slip 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 yarn overs, knit 2 yarn overs, knit 2 yarn over, knit yarn over and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After again we do 1 yarn over, knit, 2 yarn over, knit, knit, knit. So as you see, we do 1 yarn over, knit, 2 yarn overs, knit, second yarn over, knit, third yarn over, knit, yarn over and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yarn over, knit, 2 yarn overs, knit, yarn over 2, knit, over, knit, yarn over and knit. Last stitch we just purl for edge. Row 12 we slip 1, knit, drop the yarn over, knit, drop the yarn over, knit, drop the yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit. See, knit stitches like this, drop, knit. Last stitch we just purl for edge like this. As you see, here we have waves.